This is my kitchen food scale for junior design. It has a 5 kilogram load cell, and at the back it's mounted to this wooden base, and at the front it's mounted to a wooden surface that you can put food on in order to weigh it. It uses an Arduino Uno and an HX711 in order to amplify the signal from the load cells. And it wants us to tare it, so we enter T in order to tare. And now we place a known mass in order to calibrate it. So we're going to use 4 pennies. Pennies are known to be 2.5 grams each. So we place the pennies on the scale and then enter a mass of 10. And it asks if we want to save that calibration, and we say no, so we can calibrate in the future. And as you can see, it's weighing about 10 grams. And if we take 2 of the pennies off, it should be about 5 grams. And there you go. About 5 1/4, give or take. And then we take another one off. And it drops down to about 3 grams. It's a pretty heavy penny. Then we take that one off. And it goes about back to 0. Now, the point of the scale is to measure food. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a measuring cup and we're going to tare it with the measuring cup on there. So we enter T again. And it drops it back down to 0. And then we're going to weigh out some oats. So 1/2 cup of oats. And that's about 43 grams. Now, the nice thing about this scale is, or this code rather, is it's not limited to grams. So if we wanted to weigh something in ounces, we could do that as well. We'll use the same 4 pennies, but this time we'll enter our value in ounces. So 10 grams to ounces, 0.35. So we're going to tare again. And then we're going to enter our known mass with our pennies. And it's going to be 0.353. So that's our mass in ounces. We don't want to save that. Okay, and then we take 2 pennies off, and it should be about 0.17. Okay, and then we can do the exact same thing with the oats again. All we have to do is tare it with the measuring cup on there, and we get a value of 0 again. Another cup of oats. And that's a value of about 1.62 ounces of oats.